Airsoft and Dixie. Yeah, it's been a while. It's yeah, it's been a while. I've been really busy the last few months. I'm sorry. I really am. To the very few people who do watch my channel, I know it means a lot. The ones that do, like, really, I love y'all because I love Airsoft and I love this channel. But like, yeah, I've just been busy, but I should be getting videos out regular now. Also, tell me if you like the Nerf gun thing. Yeah, I was just kind of screwing around, but I have a lot of guns, just a lot of them aren't CQB legal. So I'm gonna get them all swapped to like CQB legal. So that way I can change it up. And I'll get some stupid things, like leave some suggestions like Nerf guns or whatever, something you want to see me play with, because I want to swap stuff up on this channel, make it more interesting for y'all. Hell, I'll shit. You know what? Just tell me, tell me in the comments what y'all want to see, and I'll make it happen. I'll try my best to make it happen. Um, yeah, but this is sorry about the cough too. I know that's annoying. Everyone thinks it's annoying, but sorry. Whatever. This is Airsoft and Dixie. Thank y'all for watching. It really does mean a lot.